Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 2 Driftwood Drive in Rosslyn. This home, only built in 2017, is a lifestyle masterpiece. With room for a boat and a shed and only 500 metres from the beach, it's a home worth exploring. Take a look. You know, I love the layout in this home, and it's got some great quality fixtures and fittings like the stone bench tops, integrated music system, and the flow between the indoor and the outdoor just works perfectly. I can really see myself having a barbecue here with friends, overlooking the pool, and just having a great time on a Sunday afternoon with not a worry in the world. Well, there you have it. 2 Driftwood Drive in Rosslyn is a home that has been designed so you can have a great lifestyle, but lock up and go, store the caravan, the boat, and just generally enjoy the best lifestyle that Central Queensland has to offer. If the McGrath team can help you, give me a call. We'd love to help you out.